Immobiliser fit. This is a brand new 2023 Discovery Sport. Customer's just picked it up, driven it home, and he's gone for the Halo Plus Immobiliser. So the way this system works, the thief copied the key, done a relay attack, however they got this key, programmed a new one, so on, started the vehicle up. When they start up and go to drive away, you're going to see the vehicle cut out. And unlike any other system on the market, the Halo Plus, first of all, is going to give you a call. So we're going to see in a second, this phone's going to ring. There we go. The Halo Plus on this 2023 Discovery is giving us a call, letting us know someone's in the vehicle trying to steal it. Now, if the thief is silly enough to try for a second time, they're going to start it up, select a gear, and the horn's going to go mad, and you're going to get a second phone call. So to silence it, we're just going to pop the customer's code in, which obviously is going to change. That silences the system, but obviously a thief's not going to know the PIN code, so it's going to go for a given amount of time, and then the process is going to start again. Once again, we're getting another phone call. It's letting us know someone's in the vehicle trying to attack it. And they've closed your key and they're in the vehicle. So for the customer to drive this normally, they can just have their Bluetooth on their phone, simply hop in the vehicle and start it up. Hear that double bleep and they can drive away. No need to waste time with a PIN code. But obviously there's going to be instances where their phone's gone flat, they've taken the vehicle out for dinner, their phone's died while it's out, so we just turn the Bluetooth off, and now they obviously need to get home. They don't have a charger for their phone, so turning the Bluetooth on isn't an option. So what we're going to do, start the vehicle up, go for a push sequence of their choosing. So for now we've got 1, 2, 3. Hear a double bleep and they can drive away. Customer can set their own code from 3 to 21 presses. This system also has a valet mode, so when it goes back to Range Rover, all of these features are turned off. The way you do that is go into the phone, go into the Starline key app that's downloaded and connected to the paired phone. Press and hold on here till it goes to yellow. When it does, we're going to let go. We get one long tone that confirms the system's in valet mode. So now there's going to be no horn honking, no PIN code required, no phone required. It's a normal Range Rover. When it goes back, they're not going to know anything's fitted. Obviously, when you get it home, you're going to want to turn the system back on, and the way you do that, press and hold till it goes back to green. Let go, we get 2 bleeps, which disarms the system because your phone's in here, and now the vehicle's secure. So now we're just going to turn the Bluetooth off just to confirm. Turn the vehicle off, and now we're immediately going to give it a test. So phone's out of the vehicle, we're not going to put a code in, we're just going to select a gear to make sure that valet mode's disabled. Yes, it is. The vehicle stalls, and once again we're going to get the call. This is the Halo Plus, fitted on a 2023 Discovery Sport. As you can see, it's only got 42 miles on it, so the customer's got it brand new, wanted it secured with the best system on the market. So this has a push sequence, pairs to the phone, fires the horn, gives you a phone call, and has a load more features. To get one of these installed, give us a call on 0208 212 7393. This is the Halo Plus Immobiliser. Thanks for watching.